For me, hey, what rough, guys? Hey, what rough? Hey, man, what rough? Rough, mo working. I use the library, public library here, MySec, to actually use the internet. I don't have my own internet. Not saying what I put there. I use the library to actually come up with stories and everything. I go to that library. I use it to the full best. I write my stories there. It's not like kumbaya, guys. It's not kumbaya. So now it's us gala. Hey, let's go into the film industry. Yo, we're gonna make it. Yo. No, hey. Come back to reality, guys. Hey, what rough. So not saying what rough. But if you love your passion, if you love your dream, push on. And just that's what I'm saying. Sometimes I like to tell people, look, man, if you love something, do it. If you don't love it, then why did you do it? You see, so that's all I can say. But just push on, guys. Push on.